I hate it when you look at me when I'm filming. You make me self-conscious.
Who?
You.
Well, no, I was looking down here. Go ahead.
Okay, but stop looking at me.
Okay.
Hey guys, so I was gonna make a little throw together dinner for myself and Hannah, and I thought I'd tape it. I'd never showed you this recipe before, so it's really an easy, I think it's called a Mexican 7-layer dip. So what I do is I just line a cookie sheet with some foil because it gets messy. I use,
Should use a bowl.
You shouldn't use a bowl. That's not what this is about.
Bowl.
Tell him to shut it. I use a block of cream cheese, some lettuce shreds, a bag of shredded cheese, some tomatoes, some, what are these? Chopped black olives, some mild diced green chilies, a can of vegetarian refried beans, and that's it. So, oh, salsa. I'm sorry, salsa. So I'm gonna make a I'm gonna make a Hannah-friendly one also. So naturally, she is dairy-free, so it's not gonna have.
Vegan.
Yeah, you are basically vegan. No, you're not. You eat meat.
Sorry.
So I'm gonna make hers, and hers is just gonna have everything except for the olives, the chilies, and the cheeses. So here we go. So all I'm doing is taking this cream cheese, which has been sitting out at room temperature for a little while. It makes it easier to spread. And I'm spreading it onto a plate. And I spread it all over the plate just as evenly as I can. So that way when people go in to dip the chip into the plate or to get a spoonful, they get everything, all the layers in one scoop. So now I'm just going to take my can of refried beans and spread those evenly on top of the cream cheese. I'm making Hannah's off to the side over by the refrigerator there. That's why I keep going over there too, because I'm just using the ingredients that she can have on her little plate. The next layer is these mild diced green chilies.
This is really good, Deb. Look at her go.
This is all going to be a
Go,
voiceover.
baby. Go, baby.
Can you stop
Go,
shaking the camera?
go.
You're not, you know what, you're never going to be my helper.
Yes, I will.
You're bad at it. You're bad at it. You're bad.
Now the shreds. She might poop herself in the process.
When I say it's homemade, it means that I've licked my fingers at some point.
Oh, there's Hannah's. Hannah's gonna have a really good one too. And here comes the salsa. I like the salsa. The only problem with the Hernandez is it's really liquidy,
So I just shook it up.
but it's really good.
like to do it beforehand, like before you serve it, because that way you can put it in the fridge and like all the tastes get to meld together. Like the salsa melds into the rest of the dip. Shot of cheese.
She's very violent when it comes to opening bags.
I am not.
Watch out for her.
So this is normally just like a an appetizer, but it's Saturday night, and on Saturday night we kind of what do you say, William? Eat like crap.
Yeah, just do whatever.
We do whatever on Saturday night. So we're doing we're gonna play some games. We bought, what's that game we bought, Hannah?
Bugs in the Kitchen.
Bugs in the Kitchen. And what other game?
Life. Seriously. Life.
Yes.
This comes with a very cool hex bag.
Oh, nice.
You can play with
Nice.
after.
So anyway, we're just kind of doing whatever. We're just gonna eat appetizers for dinner because we can do that. Not everybody likes olives. Ew, I got chopped olives. They're not even pretty
Ew.
looking.
They're nasty.
But, you know, I don't really care because I'm making it. So they can flick it off.
Bleh.
I don't really like
Looks like parsley.
it. Does.
It's on.
Parsley, but black.
You know what? Whatever. I don't really care. I like the way they taste. So it kind of reminds me of what's that little fish egg stuff?
Escargot.
No, those are snails. What's the fish egg stuff?
Caviar.
Yes. Isn't that what it looks like? Looks like little
Yes.
caviar.
The stuff that's in the center of caviar.
All right, and then we're just gonna chop some maters to put on top.
You're cooking mater.
No, I'm not cooking mater.
Did you get that joke though?
Yes.
She loves maters.
Love
Watch out for her.
tomatoes. I used to hate tomatoes.
I hate tomatoes.
I used to hate tomatoes. I hated all vegetables until when, William?
Until I got her to eat the vegetables.
And then I started liking vegetables.
She didn't like any tomatoes.
I
She
didn't
thought
like
I was weird. Eating tomatoes on hamburgers and
Yeah, I didn't like any of that.
she didn't like Worcestershire sauce either.
I didn't. I thought he was crazy for that too. Turns out,
It's really good.
really good.
Unfortunately, my camera cut out, but it was okay because that was the last step, was putting on the tomatoes. So we served it up with some chips and it was super yummy. I hope you guys try this recipe and like it, and make sure that you like and subscribe this video and hit that bell for notifications. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!